Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up, how to install parental control on your child's Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021. So, firstly you need to log out of all Google accounts on your child's device. To do this, open Settings, scroll down and choose Accounts and Backup. Choose Manage Accounts, choose Account to delete, and click Remove Account, and cool. Now you need to add a Google account on your child's device, but you need to add child's Google account, and if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the Google Family Link protection. So either you need to create an account with password the child will not know, or create or ask the child to change the password to one that he will not know. So click Add Account and add child's Google account. Add the child's email, click Next, and enter the child's password. Click Next again. I agree. Scroll down, choose Accept. Cool. Now click Google. Scroll down. Choose Parental Controls, Get Started, Child or Teenager, click Next. Choose Child's account, and now you need to log in into your Google account, into Parents' Google account, which will supervise child's Google account. So enter your email. And enter a password. Click Next. Scroll down and confirm child's password from his own Google account. Click Agree and allow supervision. Click Next, scroll down, click Next, scroll down, click Next again, press Skip, and go back to the home screen. Now install Google Family Link application on your device, on parent's device. I have installed, but I will uninstall it to show you how it works. So find Family Link application in Play Store, install it, and click Open. Go down, click Get Started, and click HDUDB, or choose the child's account. You could just recently add, in my case it's HDUDB. So cool, as you can see, now we have fully control of child's tablet. We can block his tablet. We can block separate applications. To block his device, just find his device in this menu. Galaxy Tape A8 and click Lock Now. So his device is locked. Or you can block separate applications. To do this, for example, I want to block messages, for example, yeah. So scroll down, choose View All Apps, find here Messages application, and click on Send Watch, click Block. I have 2 messages. So as you can see, Messages application was successfully blocked on child's device. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.